I told you, you gotta be careful, buddy. It's super slippery. We are on our way to the triple-decker waterfalls, and apparently it's a slippery one. You can kind of hear it in the distance. So let's see what happens. Red clay. We are in the Wells Gray Provincial Park, I think. A little bit of shade helps here, because it is 31 degrees and hot. Go ahead, buddy. Can you guys hear the waterfalls? Come on, Shubaduba. What do you see?
The waterfall.
The waterfall. Oh. So cool, huh? This was called the triple-decker. As it goes, I'm assuming 1, 2, and 3 levels. Okay. Step there, yeah. Just wait for Tata. Yeah, now step here. Yeah, it's okay. Step there, yeah, and now go.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
We got here.
Okay, let's go try to get closer. There's a path this way. Okay, be careful. Good job. Yeah, good job. Give that a hand. Give that a hand.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, keep going this way. Good work, buddy. Yeah, just carefully.
There's a pump here. And check out the super.
Yeah, a little bit more. Oh, they're coming. All right, let's go stand right there in that little sandy spot. Right here. Yeah, we made it! No, don't go that way. We can't, it's the end of the road. Wait, stand there, I gotta take a photo of you. Good job. Oh, this is so awesome. I live for this type of stuff. Hey, turn around and say, Shubaduba, YOLTA! Crab walk! YOLTA World, you only live twice adventures. What should we name him?
Here you go, we'll break it, mister. Eat up.
It's hot. Very hot. I'll keep walking when the kids are playing with the caterpillar. Now it's a 15-minute slog. Pretty easy trail. It is really, really hot. Go. This way, yeah. Chasing waterfalls. Whoa! Wow! Let's go. Come this way. I got better, get a better view. Whoa!
Tata.
What do you think?
Tata, you remember Dada fell down a waterfall?
Yeah.
Is that how big it was?
No, it was much smaller, Petra.
Where?
Well, maybe the bottom one, yeah. Hey, buddy.
You were gonna get hurt.
No, I wasn't gonna get hurt.
Yes, you were.
I was not.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't. Kids are scared because I went up to that tree over there on the edge of a cliff. We are at the little trail here off the side of the Helmken Falls, and it is absolutely spectacular. Kids are being silly.
I am a lava monster.
Lava monster. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Off to the next one. It is absolutely beyond words. Really, really cool place to visit. And it's very accessible too. It's only a couple hundred meters off the parking lot. Yeah, don't miss out on If you're ever in the area, you should come by and stop and see this. Really, really cool. And Max was pointing out a few little caves right there and there. And if you come early enough, you have it all for yourself. You only saw a few people. I'm sure it just gets busy later on in the day. Hey, don't chuck rocks, buddy. And you can follow this hike all the way down to the canyon. Oh, should I say the river? The power of water. Erosion by water made Helmcken Falls and the gorge below the falls has moved slowly upstream as it is cut through layers of lava left by volcanic eruptions thousands of years ago. Hey monkeys!
Hey. My dad thought it would be bigger. It's so small. Snakes.
Yeah, I thought this tower is gonna be much taller, but pretty cool. Hey look, we can see Pyramid Mountain right there.
Huh?
Pyramid Mountain.
What's Pyramid Mountain?
Right there ahead of you. It looks like a pyramid.
Yeah, there's actually some benches. Guys, you can bring snacks down.
Sorry? Yeah, I know.
Between everything here.
Yeah, it's all connected. I'm telling you, you can spend a good 2 weeks here exploring. Yeah, this park is really something else. Awesome!
It's like a dance stage.
Like a dance stage?
Dance.
You're so silly. You can see all the peaks.
Hey, Max,